Massive data, complex features, constant updates. Is Google Analytics feeling more like a burden than a benefit? We're going to show you how to turn your data around into results. Keep watching. Hi, I'm Risha, and in today's video, we'll help you understand the GA services we offer, the results you can expect from us, and the kind of budget you'll need to set aside. Let's start with what Mavlers can do for your agency. Whether it's setting up GA4 server-side tracking or integrating Looker Studio, we cover all of the bases. We know that Google Analytics can feel like a lot, so whether you need some quick consulting or a full implementation, we ensure that you are getting the insights you need from your data. Plus, we conduct audits and optimizations to ensure your GA setup is accurate and aligned with your business objectives. For a deeper dive into our offerings, check out the Service Capability Guide on our page. You'll find the link in the description. Now you may be wondering if Mavlers is the right agency for you. We've built a solid foundation with over 13 years of experience and have saved our clients a ton of time. Over 400 hours annually to be more precise. We've assisted over 5,000 clients worldwide, and our 95% client retention rate shows that we are in it for the long haul. We've delivered results for some pretty big names too, like Disney, National Geographic, Oracle, and Incubator across industries like SaaS, e-commerce, real estate, and more in 52 plus countries. So yeah, we mean it when we say that Mavlers is built on proven experience, unmatched expertise, and a relentless drive for growth. We're here to help you understand the story behind your data and use it to drive tangible results. Now, here's what makes Mavlers unique. Your trust is everything to us. We follow your NDA terms and ensure that all of your data is handled with utmost care. We don't just work for you, we work with you. We blend effortlessly into your team, becoming a true extension of your in-house resources without adding to your overhead. We also offer ongoing training and support to help you make the most out of your Google Analytics, turning complex data into actionable insights. Next, let's talk pricing. GA services with Mavlers ranges from $30 an hour to more specialized project-based pricing. The final cost depends on your project's complexity, the scope, and the scale of services you need. But the easiest way to know exactly what it'll cost you would be to jump on a quick call with our team. No pressure, no obligation, just a real conversation to figure out what works best for you. By the way, there are 3 ways in which we engage with our clients: one-off projects, retainer engagements, and dedicated resources or teams. All right, so what's next? Fill out the contact form at the end of this page and we'll set up a discovery call. From there, if we see alignment, we'll send you a proposal detailing the project plan, the quote, and your next steps. And don't worry, we don't do the endless back and forth. With us, you're going to have a clear plan, straight answers, and a smooth process from start to finish. From everything we've discussed, we're certain that you now have a clearer understanding of how well we fit together. So, if you're ready to move forward or just want to talk things through, fill out the form below and we'll connect with you in the next 24 to 48 hours. Are you excited? Because we can't wait to bring your vision to life.